Solis has innovative technology with a proven history of excellent customer service. Our team is growing so fast as our momentum picks up because of our focus on the local solar market.
I am part of a team that prioritizes employee well-being. Everyone is knowledgeable, respectful, and helpful.
En Solis, desde el CEO al personal, hasta el personal más nuevo, nos tratamos como familia. Realmente aquí el día a día es un trabajo en equipo constante para poder ayudar a esta transición tan necesaria. Y bueno, así es como somos una gran familia y por eso damos el mejor servicio a todos nuestros clientes, no solamente en Estados Unidos, México, sino en todo el mundo.
I love working at Solis because of the supportive team, commitment to innovation, and most importantly, I really appreciate that the company values diversity and inclusion. It creates a workplace where everyone's ideas and backgrounds are respected.
We have a diverse sales team in the United States serving markets all the way from small-scale residential to the largest utility-scale projects. And it creates a work environment that's extremely diverse and allows us to serve all of the different solar markets in the US with a lot of presence and local support.
We love working